Okay guys, welcome to the workshop. It is exactly 6 p.m. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but the gong from the temple is going off. Temple bells is ringing right now, so it's exactly 6 p.m. What we're looking at here is a door I'm trying to build. I'm actually doing a build video on this door. If it actually ever goes into service, hopefully, I've got a lot of hours invested in this thing. It better work. Then I'll have a build video on it. That's not what we're doing tonight though. I was out there in the afternoon and I should have had this part done, but I spent most of the afternoon just watching the birds, the wildlife that we have here, and not really getting anything accomplished. And then the nephew came after school and moved all my tools around. I just got 6 more pieces to cut. It's a lot of crazy cuts. Everyone's an angle, a weird angle at that. This is my new favorite tool. I just got this, maybe a month or so ago, and it don't look like much, but it's very, very useful. It's called Speed Square. I think that's what it's called. I've seen these before, but I didn't really know how good they were until I watched this guy in Louisiana. What's his YouTube channel name? Alan's Welding and Woodworking or something like that. I'll put the link in the description for his channel. If you're into welding stuff and workshop stuff, you'll like this guy. He knows what he's doing, unlike me. But that's where I got the idea from this. $3 free shipping. I'll put a link to my shop page I have on one of my websites, and this is on there. $3. Unbelievable. So useful. I'm really tired of this door. Oh, so many hours invested in this thing already. Whew, 5 more. 4 more. The countdown is on. Well, all the pieces are in. I'm looking at the lines, you know. They seem to line up pretty close. I see one that's out. Right there, you see that? The short one in the middle. Right there. It's out. By quite a bit. I didn't notice that. Oh, man. And I'm pretty sure that one's welded all the way around too. That's a lot of work, man. A lot of work. Holy crap. 43 pieces in that door. 43 pieces. That's a lot of cutting, and most of it, all the little pieces are all very strange angles, you know. Because this X in the bottom half is not 45 degrees. So yeah, every one of them is very strange angles. A lot of cutting. You'll see that. That's not good, eh? I used to be bad for that, you know. Years ago, my first house I bought in Canada, I renovated a bathroom. I had 2 bathrooms, renovated both of them. The main bathroom, I gutted it right to the studs and put everything back brand new. And when it was done, it looked really nice. And everybody that came over, like, wow, how did you do that? And I go in there and I just see the problems, you know, especially with the tiles. You know, that one's not quite straight. Look at this. And, you know, I just look at the problems with it. And I'm going to be looking at that one right there for years. If the door's not warped. Hopefully this is pretty heavy. It didn't warp. My welding shield, this one. The wife picked it up yesterday and looked through it. She's like, I don't know how you can see what you're doing. This thing is the automatic one. It doesn't work very good. It doesn't change from clear to dark as it's supposed to all the time. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But it was dark when she looked in there. I keep it, that's how you adjust it. I keep it cranked to the darkest, which is not that but dark. And she's like, I don't know how you can see what you're doing. I'm happy that part is done. Now I got to buff up all the welds. A lot of it's only welded to one side. I'll clean up all this side, buff it up, flip it over, weld it out on the other side. Then there's primer and paint. The fun never ends. As you can see, she's well and truly dark. And you hear the tap, tap, tap. Ducks never sleep, man. They're tapping on the door. Ducks never sleep. Even here in the village, you know. The only thing I hear is crickets, the ducks, and I can hear one of my water filters on the fish tank going. That's it. Alright guys, so that's it. Thanks for joining me for a night in the workshop. And hopefully we'll see a build video on this door once it's finally done. Man, I hope it's a good one. This thing better work. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Go to sleep already.